Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. Today I have a couple things I want to show you. I have a quick Dollar Tree DIY. So I made this little craft for myself because I had, look at my little cat's ears right there. She's so cute. Hi, Patty. Hi, Patty. Anyway, so I had a need because at night my husband goes to sleep a lot earlier than I do, a lot. So when I go in there to get ready for bed, I don't like to make a whole lot of noise. So I wanted to have a place where I could just hang my clothes at night without waking him up. So I wanted to have some kind of hook behind my door. And so I went to Dollar Tree and I bought some things, and I love the way that this turned out, you guys. It was really inexpensive and fun to make. So like I said, it looks really cute and cheerful, and you know what? You can use it for more than what I needed for, which is a hook behind the door. And also I was going to recommend something that I recently bought. So I love to have bird feeders in my yard, and I get a lot of joy out of just seeing the birds, the different birds that come to my feeders. And but I was having a problem because I was getting these big rats to climb up the post where my feeder's hanging and feed from my feeders. And so I don't want that. When you have them coming to your home because you have bird seeds or whatever, then they're more likely to come into your house, and I don't want them visiting my property. So I was like, what am I gonna do? I don't want to stop feeding the birds. So I looked online and I found this product that I am going to show you because it has solved the problem. So now hopefully they will go somewhere else to find their source of food or snacking or whatever it is. In case you're interested and you're having the same issue, well, you don't need to stop feeding the birds. So I'm gonna show you that here now. Anyway, so aside from that, thank you for the well wishes that I've gotten on my mom. She is still not well. You know, I hope and pray that, you know, she's able to recuperate and get stronger. We will see. It's, you know, we do as much as we can to help, and the rest is up to God. So thank you so much for your prayers and for your well wishes for my mom. I so much appreciate them, as I do each and every one of you. So I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of decorating that I did in my front doorstep, and also the little DIY that I made with Dollar Tree items. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of my channel and supporting me. I hope if you haven't subscribed that you will consider subscribing and hit the little bell so that you can be notified when I upload a video. So I wish you all well, and I hope that you guys are enjoying fall, which is just about to start, and that you're enjoying doing some decorating in your home. I have some other videos coming up, a couple more fall videos for you guys, and I'm also gonna make a Halloween wreath because I have several others. I already have my fall wreath that I made last year up on my door. I'm gonna show you that. But I do not have a Halloween wreath, and I'm excited to make one. I'm gonna film that, and it's gonna be a simple wreath, but I think it's gonna come out really cute. So stay tuned for that and for a couple of other fall DIYs that I'm gonna be making. So God bless you all. I hope to see you soon, and take care. Bye. So I'm going to start out by using these over-the-door hooks that I found at Dollar Tree, and I want to make them look a little bit nicer. I found this piece of wood that just is the perfect size to glue on top of those hooks, and I'm going to use this super adorable adhesive paper. And isn't that such a pretty paper? I decided to use some tape to just secure the adhesive paper behind the piece of wood. Next, I'm going to use these signs that I found. There was like 6 of them to the pack. And I'm going to use the word thankful, and I painted it with a little bit of gold paint. So after I hot glued the word thankful to the center of the piece of wood, I am going to get these cute little pumpkins that they're made out like of wood, but they're so cute. And I'm going to stick 2 of those pumpkins to the side of the word thankful. And I love the way that that looks. Now I'm going to get some stickers that I got at Dollar Tree as well. And they are fall leaves of all different colors. And I'm going to stick those around the pumpkin and the word thankful. And some on the pumpkin too. So now it's time to hot glue the piece of wood to the hooks. It is just the perfect size for these hooks, you guys. And so you can get these pieces of wood and decorate for different seasons. I just wanted it to look sort of like for fall, which is our season now. And I'm going to show you how, I told you I got these for the back of my door, but I wanted to show you how you could use these in the kitchen as well. So I got some pot holders and a little towel, which is really cute. These are all from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to show you how I was able to hang this from the oven door. And here it is behind my bedroom door, you guys, and I decided to add some sunflowers just to cheer it up a little bit more. And here it is with some of my little tank tops. And also you can use it just to decorate, and I put this on the top of my wall unit in my living room. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.